Ladies and gentlemen, Jeff Herrick coming to you from Green Industrial, Belgium, Wisconsin. Excited to show you a generator we just got PM'd. New oil filters, it's completely serviced and ready to run. So this here is a Kohler machine, completely enclosed with a 400-gallon base tank for diesel. It is run by a Detroit Series 60 engine. This is an inline 6-cylinder from Detroit, a 4-stroke diesel. Turning a 240 kW generator end. It's a 3-phase generator, but it's 12 leads, so it can be reconnected to nearly any voltage. Currently it's set to run at 208, but we could reconnect that to 480 for you if that is what needs to happen. It is pretty much everything you need. This thing goes outside. Again, it has its base mounted fuel tank. It has a battery charger that's mounted on the inside of the enclosure, which keeps your batteries charged and ready to go at any time. I believe this machine was new in 2001. I'd have to double check that. But to date, it only has 833 original hours. And it's been tested here and it's been run. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and fire this thing up for you. And we'll watch her blow some smoke and then let you know how you can get a hold of me to buy this thing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I was wrong. It's a 1999 machine, not new in 2001. It was new in 99. But again, to date, has 833.8 hours on it, to date, after all of our service. So again, it has all new fluids, filters. It's ready to run. Please, if you have questions, I want to hear from you. Give me a shout at the office, 262-476-5045, or check out our website at www.gibuys.com. And as always, folks, save thousands and buy used from Green Industrial today.